Howdy folks, welcome to the channel Rockin' the Country. I'm Don and I've got maybe a show coming. It's a very Canadian themed video that I'm doing right now. Every which way till Tuesday, including my hat that Terry Wood sent me a few years back. So Terry, thank you for that. I would have put on my Calgary Stampede hat that you sent me, but it's in a box of, I probably got about 40 hats that I brought with me here, but I have another 20 or so that's in a box that's not with me here, so I couldn't wear that one. But I do have it. At some point, I'll be trotting all of them out, but thank you for that. And thank you for the gift for me to do this one as well, Terry. Terry himself is up in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and Ian and Sylvia Tyson are Canadians, and the song is Four Strong Winds, which I've done before, but not this rendition. And this is what Terry said. Hi, Don. I trust you're having fun on your journey. Wishing you all the success on your venture. Thank you for that, Terry. Well, we're coming up to the Calgary Stampede again. Among this year's performers are Ashley McBride and Brandy Clark. We're getting close to 1.5 million attendance. Maybe this will be the year. Once again, well, just so that you guys know, this is my aside. The Calgary Stampede is, I believe, the largest country show in the world. Every year they do it, and they draw almost 1.5 million people who go to the show. And they have like 5 stages, and A-listers show up there every single year. But now, he said, once again, I'd like to remember Ian Tyson at Stampede Time. I know you've done my first song previously, but this is more like the very original version, which you haven't done. Ian and his wife Sylvia were a very popular folk music act before Ian dived into cowboy music. Four Strong Winds is one of their early hits from that era, originally recorded in 1963. They broke up in 1975 and stopped recording. In 1986, they put together a one-time reunion show on CBC television, and this clip is from that show. A statement to their enduring popularity was the fine guest list of performers on this show: Linda Ronstadt, Gordon Lightfoot, Judy Collins, and others. In 2005, CBC listeners chose this song as the greatest Canadian song of all time. I do hope you can show this video. I think they look great together. That's what Terry wrote. I hope it gets to air as well. CBC is Canadian Broadcasting Corporation, not to be confused with the BBC, the British Broadcasting Corporation. All right, here we go. And the Calgary Stampede is in Canada. You might figure that out.
Well, speaking of memories, here's one.
That's amazing, the greatest Canadian song ever that got voted out by Canadians.
Four strong winds that blow over 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone. I'm bound, I'm moving on. I'll look for you if I'm never back this way.
So pretty.
I think I'll go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall.
And Terry
Got
Wood.
some friends that I can go to working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I'd ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may.
it
if I get
beautifully
there
together.
for the snow flies, if things are going good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it will be winter, there ain't too much for you to do. Oh, those winds, they sure get cold way out there. Or strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. All
coming out.
things that don't change on one day. Our good times are all gone. I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm never back this way. For strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change from one day. But good times are all gone. I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. And thank you for keeping the music and the memories alive for us, too.
There you go.
Take care of yourself. Good night.
Good night, everybody. See you down the road.
We just tried to write songs about real things and real people. I think that's possibly why they've lasted.
Yep. That's country.
I sure enjoyed hearing River Road. I really did. Enjoyed
Oh, that's
hearing
nice.
Sylvia and Emmy Lou. I think that was my favorite tonight.
I think the ones I really enjoyed were the ones that we did with the guests. It was so much fun to have those old friends on stage with us and hear those other voices
Yeah.
doing those songs with us. That really was wonderful. I thought it sounded pretty good.
It was fun. It really was. A lot of fun.
It was amazing to look out and see all those people with tears in their eyes. I couldn't.
I thought it was better than that, actually.
As if they were crying sad tears. That's really good. I hope it's not blocked too. Obviously, you'll know by now. So will I. That's just, I mean, those moments in time that, especially like when it's in your home country, it's the culture that you're familiar with, where the musicians come from, where they're going, the locations they're talking about, how far away it is from you or how close it is to you. People in Ontario, when they hear Alberta, they're like, okay, that's a hike. But it's just the beautiful voices, what the song means. It means something to your neighbor too, or likely is to. All that impacts how you hear and feel a song and a performance. And that these two got back together, and I have to say that the ladies sure knew how to dress in this one. The dudes need a little work. Ian did standard cowboy attire, if you will, and that's just fine for dudes. But it's good to see when people are at times a bit more formal. When even they're doing country stuff, there's no reason not to. But this is, the song itself is gorgeous, of course. It gives me ideas for songs too, because I'm hearing songs all the time and I get ideas. But Terry, this is fun. But now I can tell you this. the next song that I'm going to do for you, I'm really looking forward to because you were in the audience for it. And I want footage, but we're just going to get the audio because I read your email, of course. So, but on this one, I'm not going to rate it. I'm going to leave this as just a beautiful ode to Canada, to Canadians, to you, Terry, personally. I've been to Canada several times. Most Northern Americans, not North Americans, but Northern United States. You know, I grew up in Jersey, so of course I've been to Niagara Falls a few times and all that stuff. But it's just a beautiful performance. So thank you for sharing that with us. And I hope the Stampede crush it. I hope they get 1.6 million patrons this year, Terry, and I hope you're one of them. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you on another video and keep rocking the country.
Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that rise.